Here we go, folks. Michael Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here with my buddy. We're looking at a 64 Plymouth Valiant. Just wanted to do another quick running video. This thing fired right up. It sounds great. It runs strong. It's in great shape. Listen to this. Got a nice little rumble to it. Sounds great. Got plenty of power. That's a pretty light vehicle. It says the 273 4-barrel. We're going to take a quick peek. 4-speed, 3 pedals. Hello, hello, hello. There we go. Built by a master engine builder, top quality parts, 273 plus, got a little bling, see some Edelbrock intake, see some nice valve cover gaskets. This thing is sweet. If you like them like I do, you should give me a call. Michael Platt Motors, Anderson, California. 707-599-9448. plattmotors@gmail.com is my email. plattmotors.com is my website. I'm ready to talk Plymouth. I email, I text, but I love to talk. Please give me a call. Appreciate you looking at my videos. Look forward to talking to you soon.